This is my first beanie. I hated it because in those days, back when the Cowboys were actually good, wearing a wool hat was a sign of weakness. At my school, you could have been beat up for wearing something like that. But times have changed, and now the beanie is one of the best kept secrets for backcountry comfort because cold comes fast and you lose 7 to 10% of your body heat through your head. So the beanie is essential gear to warm up on cold evenings, sleep better through the night, and stay warm throughout the morning. I'm Matt Kessler, and I'm a wilderness adventure guide. I lead groups of men on remote trips into the beauty and solitude of epic places. Check out my 3 adventure trips and download my best high quality outdoor gear and clothing recommendation guide. Links are below. All right, so you're looking for a beanie, and the first question you're probably asking is acrylic or wool, which is better? Acrylic is the budget-friendly choice. It's semi-soft, easy to wash, it dries fast, and it's not gonna shrink in the washer and dryer if it accidentally gets tossed in with the rest of your gear. Not that I've done that. So an acrylic beanie is reliable, low maintenance, and it's gonna get the job done without a fuss. A wool beanie, on the other hand, particularly high quality merino wool, is a luxury upgrade with some serious backcountry superpowers. What do I mean? Well, it's warmer, it wicks moisture really well, and it helps regulate your temperature. In fact, a merino wool beanie can help absorb up to 30% of its weight in moisture without even feeling wet. Plus, it's naturally antimicrobial, which means it won't stink after a few days on the trail, and you don't have to feel sheepish around your friends. Here's what I've tried and what I recommend you buy. The 5th best beanie to buy is the Meriwool Merino Wool Cuffed Beanie. This is high quality merino wool that is incredibly soft. It's got great wicking ability. It stays dry both inside and out in nearly all weather. And it's really well sewn. But it's not for everyone because it's more of an athletic fit. It's cut slim, which might not be great for fat heads. My daughter thinks this one looks stupid on me. The Meriwool is 18.5 micron merino wool. It is 8.8 ounces or 250 grams for my Canadian friends. This beanie is $26. The 4th best beanie to buy is the Minus33 Merino Wool Cuffed Beanie. Minus33 uses lightweight Australian merino wool to give it an athletic slim fit that's soft and comfortable. This is breathable, it wicks moisture well, it dries quickly, but it's not the thickest or the warmest, which makes it great for cool summer hikes or lower temperature backpacking trips. It's 18.5 micron merino wool, coming in at 8.2 ounces or 230 grams, and the price is $22.99. The 3rd best beanie to buy is the Carhartt Men's Knit Cuffed Beanie. This is 100% acrylic rib knit. So it's easier to wash and dry than wool, and Carhartt gives this a quality design with a really heavy duty construction and a nice fit. This is the most breathable of the acrylic rib beanies that I own. I love this as an acrylic beanie. It's got that classic fit, that icon Carhartt beanie look. This thing's been around since I was in high school, and you see it everywhere. Construction sites, football games, campgrounds, and it comes in a ton of colors. But it can also get too warm during physical activities. This is 3.5 ounces or 100 grams, like shout out to Europe. And the price is $34.99, but it's so often on sale, including right now in my link below for $19.99. All right, we got a 2-way tie for the winner. These are my 2 favorite backcountry beanies. This is the Wazoo Cache Beanie. It is made of 100% fine Italian merino wool. It is so soft, thick, and brings that classy, chunky, 3-inch cuff Watchman style hat to a whole nother level. This is a top beanie because you can stay warm and level up your everyday carry game. It's 89 bucks, which is on the pricier side, but it's extremely well made. And how freaking cool is this beanie? And the top beanie that I've worn more than any other beanie is the Noble Wilde Beanie. This is incredibly warm, it's breathable, and luxuriously soft. Extremely lightweight, made of 53% merino wool and 40% possum fur. Yes, you heard me correctly, and 7% silk. Remember, merino wool has fibers that are exceptionally fine and long and densely crimped, which helps retain heat close to the skin while keeping out cold air. And the fiber also wicks moisture away from the skin, allowing the wool to stay warm and dry. Possum fur, and I'm not talking about North American possum fur, I'm talking about the possum fur that comes from possums that live in Australia and New Zealand. This kind of possum fur is one of the most extraordinary natural fibers in the world, thanks to its hollow core. This cavity actually traps a tunnel of air that provides extraordinary warmth, up to 30% more than standard woolen garments. The only other animal with this kind of hollow core fiber is the polar bear. So the combination of merino wool with possum fur results in a fabric that's lightweight, twice as warm as merino wool alone, and highly resistant piling, and crazy, crazy soft to the touch. The Noble Wilde is made in New Zealand, and it comes in a dozen colors. You've just got to be careful to hand wash it only. Believe me, I put one of these in the washer and it accidentally got into the dryer as well, and it shrank down to the size of a thumb glove. The Noble Wilde is $40, and it also comes in a ribbed design. That's your best beanie selection, and I highly recommend the Wazoo Cache Beanie and the Noble Wilde Possum Fur Beanie. But what's your go-to beanie? Drop a comment below to let me know what you wear. Check out these two videos next. Sign up for one of my unforgettable guided adventure trips. And remember, don't just buy great outdoor gear, get out there and use it.